Welcome back to Modaufy Garage. This is a Modaufy Garage quick tip segment, and on this segment what I want to do, I have a 2016 Subaru Liberty key fob and I want to show you how to change the battery. Okay, so we have our key fob. So what you want to do is you want to turn it around and you want to press this button here. Press this button here and the back of this key should come off. What you want to do next is grab a screwdriver, and what you want to do is just put the screwdriver in the side, like so, and it should just pop straight out, like that. So this, as you can see in the camera, it's a CR2032. So I've got my replacement battery right here. So what I will do, I will just pop that out. Oh, the whole thing pops out. So what we need to do, very carefully here, I'm just going to get my little flathead screwdriver, put my fingers on either side, just so it doesn't move the plastic, and just pop the battery out like so. Put that to the side. I'm going to grab my new battery, and I'm going to pop that in. I've got my key fob, it goes this way. I'll just put the cover back on. Clip it together. Press the button down. And drop the key back in. And it's done. So that's all there is to changing a 2016 Subaru Liberty key fob battery. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and if you want to support the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.